For great is the mercy of the Lord, and he is long-suffering, and he does not impute iniquity to those who will turn away from all their transgression. Book of Jubilees 5:17. Frequency, 528 Hz. This frequency, known as the miracle tone, was chosen because it aligns with the themes of transformation, restoration, and the clearing of negative energy. Just as the verse describes the removal of the record of iniquity, effectively clearing the slate, the 528 Hz frequency is associated with repairing the DNA of the spirit and returning the heart to a state of peace and equilibrium. It is the sonic expression of grace, vibrating in harmony with the mercy required to truly turn away from past transgressions. The breakdown. When it was written, the Book of Jubilees was composed between 164 BCE and 100 BCE. It provides a detailed account of history from a perspective that emphasizes God's covenantal order and the cycles of time, serving as a guide for living in alignment with the Creator's original intent. What it means. The verse unveils the eternal character of the divine through three distinct lenses. First, it identifies great mercy, an infinite resource that transcends human merit. Second, it identifies long-suffering, which illustrates God's patient endurance as he waits for the human heart to ripen toward change. Finally, it presents the condition of turning, noting that iniquity is only held against those who persist in it. For those who choose to pivot, the debt of their past is removed from their account. Applying it to daily life. This verse serves as a mandate for self-forgiveness and patience. If you have chosen to turn away from a transgression, you must stop identifying with the mistake you left behind. Because the Creator no longer imputes that iniquity to you, it is an act of spiritual defiance to impute it to yourself. Furthermore, as you interact with your community and your family, this verse challenges you to offer the same long-suffering patience you have received. By embodying this mercy, you create a frequency of grace in your home and your projects, allowing those around you the space they need to grow and realign. Daily Decree. Today, I resonate with the frequency of divine restoration. I stand in the vast mercy of the Lord, knowing my past is not my identity. I have turned away from all that separates me from the light, and I walk forward with a clean slate and a spirit made new. I am patient, I am forgiven, and I am the embodiment of the long-suffering love that heals all things. My life is a testament to His grace. So it is, and so it shall be. Find this and other healing frequencies, plus the hidden text, file a motion in the heavenly courts, and check out the archives at spiritualtribunal.life. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check the comments for free resources.